Little storyteller.
Mia had a bright yellow bedroom with rainbow-colored toys. One sunny morning, she looked in her round mirror. Her reflection smiled back, and then zoomed right up to the ceiling. Mia giggled. Wow, flying! She wiggled her toes, trying to fly like her reflection. She jumped up and down on her fluffy blue rug, but her feet stayed on the ground. The next day, Mia looked in the mirror again. Her reflection was lifting her toy chest with one arm. The toy chest was full of colorful blocks and felt very heavy. Mia tried to lift the toy chest. She put her arms around it and pulled with all her might. It wiggled a little, but stayed on the floor. Super strength is fun to watch, she said. The next morning, Mia's reflection was surrounded by fluffy-tailed squirrels. They were chattering and waving their tiny paws. Mia's reflection seemed to understand them, nodding and smiling. Mia went outside to the big oak tree in her yard. She saw a little squirrel with bright eyes and a twitchy nose. "Hello, little squirrel," Mia said. The squirrel just blinked at her and then scampered up the tree. Mia giggled. Talking to squirrels is still a secret power for my reflection. The next day, Mia's reflection was painting a picture with a rainbow paintbrush. The colors swirled magically on the paper. Mia loved to draw. Mia got her crayons and a big piece of paper. She drew a bright red flower with a happy yellow center. It wasn't magic like her reflection's painting, but it was still beautiful. She smiled. Even without superpowers, she could still do fun things. It's fun to imagine, and it's also fun to try things yourself.
Please subscribe. Thank you.